In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an ad campaign project from Wrike to Excel. We'll walk through this process from inside your Wrike workspace, and by the end, you'll have a downloadable Excel file containing your ad campaign data, ready for reporting, analysis, or sharing with your team. First, open your Wrike workspace and navigate to your ad campaign project. This is usually found in the space or folder where your marketing or campaign projects are stored. Make sure you're in the correct project, because the export will only include the data from the project you currently have open. You'll want to be in a table or list-style view, where you can see tasks, dates, statuses, and assignees laid out in columns. Once you're in the ad campaign project, look towards the top of the screen for the area that contains your project controls. This is typically where you'll find options like filters, views, and additional actions. In the highlighted area shown in the guide, you'll see a menu or icon that opens more options related to the project. Click on that highlighted section. This is what gives you access to Wrike's export tools. After opening that menu, you'll see an option labeled Export Project to Excel. Go ahead and click on this. Choosing this option tells Wrike that you want to take all the visible project data and convert it into an Excel spreadsheet. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly check that the columns and filters in your current view reflect exactly what you want to export, because the export will mirror what you see. Once you select Export Project to Excel, Wrike will open a confirmation or settings window for the export. Here you may see some basic options, but in most cases, you can simply continue. Click on the Export button to start the process. Wrike will now generate the Excel file in the background. Depending on the size of your ad campaign project, this might take a few moments. When the export is complete, Wrike will provide you with a downloadable file, usually listed with a name like Ad Campaign, export.xlsx. Click on that file name to download it to your computer. After it's downloaded, you can open it in Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program to review, analyze, or share with others. And that's all you need to do to export your ad campaign project from Wrike to Excel, giving you a flexible, portable format for your campaign data.